Now I am going to teach you how to solve problems using L hospital rule, which will be helpful for solving problems in limits. Suppose if you have the problem of the type limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Now, if you have to solve this problem using formula, it will take more than 1 minute. So I will teach you how to solve this problem using L hospital rule. So first what we should do here is substitute in place of x as 0 in numerator and denominator. When you substitute in place of x as 0 in numerator and denominator, we will get 0 by 0 form. According to L hospital rule, if you get 0 by 0 form, you differentiate numerator separately, differentiate denominator separately. Again, substitute in place of x 0 in numerator as well as in denominator. You will again get 0 by 0 form. You differentiate numerator separately and denominator separately. Now when you substitute in place of x as 0, you will get 1 by 2. This will be the answer for the problem limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Suppose the problem is like this, limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x by x. Now if you want to solve this problem with other technique, it will take more than 1 minute. Now if you solve this problem using L hospital rule, it is very simple. Substitute in place of x as 0 in numerator and denominator, you will get 0 by 0 form. So if you get 0 by 0 form, according to L hospital rule, differentiate numerator separately, So when I differentiate numerator, 3 to the power of x differentiation is 3 to the power of x log 3 minus 2 to the power of x differentiation is 2 to the power of x log 2 by 1. Because x differentiation is 1. Substitute x is equal to 0. 3 to the power of 0 is 1. So this will become log 3. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. This is become log 2. So the formula is log 3 by 2. Log m minus log n formula is log of 3 by 2. One more problem I will teach you. Third problem. Limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos m theta divided by 1 minus cos n theta. Substitute in place of theta as 0 in numerator as well as in denominator. It will become 1 minus cos 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus cos 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is in the form of 0 by 0. You differentiate numerator separately, you differentiate denominator separately. So again substitute in place of theta as 0, it will become 0 by 0 form. If you get 0 by 0 form, differentiate numerator separately, differentiate denominator separately. So this is nothing but m square by n square. When you substitute in place of theta as 0, you will get m square by n square. This is how we solve all the problems using L hospital rules, which will be highly useful for solving the problems under the topic limits. Thank you.